Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and yeah, so finally this is a video about the success stories of all the videos that I've been doing so far for you guys regarding Luna Classic, and it's been a crazy journey. It's been an amazing experience again, and the thing is, today I've never asked anyone this, that I really need to get 300 likes, right? So right here, right now, as soon as you're watching, just press that like button and possible subscribe, but really important to get 300 likes today. And this is a special one and a humble request to each and every one of you, because I don't think it's ethical to say that you are the best, but I think I have the best videos of Luna Classic out there, which I'm about to show you in a moment. In this very video, I'm going to show you how much of success stories are is included in this one very video. So the thing is, it would really mean a lot to get to 300 likes. The reason being is I'm trying to teach YouTube and tell YouTube, you know what, if this video is getting 300 likes for the first time, it's been 1.5 years that I have this channel, never had any likes on any video, and I wanted especially that Luna Classic video. I do Pepe, I do Dogecoin, I do Bitcoin, Jasmy, but especially for Luna Classic, I wanted Luna Classic, one of the Luna Classic videos, to get to 300 likes. And it may just start to get to other Luna Classic who are not finding a valuable and a very quality content from other YouTubers. So I'm going to start off with the market maker and who the market maker really was back when maybe last year, and that was a very crazy video. I'm going to start from there, and I'm going to take you all the way to this current situation and also update what's happening next after 5th of December. So thank you guys, just do it and let's get into the video. And the fun begins with a video called I Saw a Dream, and I want to tell you that this video was made back 1 year ago, okay? 1 year ago, when Luna Classic was, spreading like a fire all over the place, that, oh no, Luna actually went down and stuff like that. So I want you to hear this part. It's very weird. I actually had a dream, guys. I had a dream that Luna Classic actually went to 13,500. It's crazy. No, I'm not joking. I really had a dream. It's not for views or anything. I'm not even joking with you. Like, it actually came up to 13,000, broke this level, and actually continue higher. I had a dream. Right? So that was pretty sick, and it was actually very true that I did saw a dream that Luna Classic was popping up, and this was back 1 year ago, 2022, in August, when things were actually down and Luna Classic was moving sideways. Let's keep on going on to another video. So this video is known as Pop Soon, and it actually came to 13,000. Did you notice the last video we were sitting down at 9,000? And yes, some few days later, here it is, 13,000 something. So let's look at this. Classic is an amazing, is really ready for 70% pump. And right now we're talking about a price level from there to there, and we could be looking for Luna Classic to really go for all the way. Now, if you notice, this pennant was meant to go from 13,000 all the way to 21,000, and that's like a 50% back in 2022. So let's see how that one played out. And this was another video again 1 year ago. My target met like a boss, and these were all back in August or September last year. So let's check at this. You can already see the pennant was drawn and the technical target was pretty much met. You've broken out of another resistance, and I do think it does make sense for Luna Classic to drop down to 16,000 extended. All right, so the next one I was telling some few possible scenarios, and the video that I made from here was the following. Okay, so it is called as Pennant, which is another follow-up video in September last year. 2 hours. Can you break to the upside? You could break to the upside. There's a lot of volume. As a matter of fact, on the daily, it's looking so beautiful. On the daily, you do have a continuation pattern. So that's 3 white soldiers right there we're talking about. And there could be chance that, you make a bigger pattern right here. The one on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame, just like you did here. All right, so this pennant was meant to take Luna Classic from 26,000 all the way up to 52,000 back in September last year, and you can already see that This is another video where I started saying that, after the technical, this was when it literally went up there. Back in here, you made that flag like this, you broke above the flag, and you literally went up to that technical target, if you notice. But there's something interesting about this distribution time video that I want you to hear about. Who knows, you can actually come down here to 33,000 where you have a little bit of support, go up a little bit to 44,000 again, get rejected the golden ratio, and you can see that's the golden ratio. But this is what's going to happen. You make that neckline right over there. If this happened, of course it hasn't happened just yet, but this is possible that it can happen now, just as I was telling you about the bull pennants and whatnot. So unfortunately, a lot of people are not going to like what I'm about to say, but this can actually end up dropping to 17 or 18,000. Right, so 17 or 18,000, and this was again in September. And boy, you do know this happened. So here it is. This is where I might expect Luna Classic to come down to. So I do expect it to come all the way down to this price level, which is 15,060. Hold this, move sideways, and then from there start to push back up. Because when you broke it, look how aggressively you broke the trend line, but you never really back tested it. All you did is you moved to the upside. And this is a concept called as dirty retested. That's a video called Dirty Retest. When you don't retest a broken trend line, you go down to retest it. And people didn't like it because everyone was bullish. Some of the people were like, yeah, okay, fine, and this and that. But the thing is that a lot of people didn't find these videos very friendly. The reason being is when you pump like this and you tell someone it's going to dump, they don't like it because they were buying on top, isn't it? So that's exactly what was happening, and there were some few trolls that I had to also do in the future. To fall down, and then the next technical target goes on from there to there. But we might be looking for this head and shoulder technical target to be nasty all the way down to 12,000. Right, so the head and shoulder was being created, and I told everyone it's still 12,000 from 31,000, by the way. So it's not just a normal prediction, it's actually something to help you out, like to save your money right there. From going from 31,000 to 12,000 is almost like a 70% drop down. That we saved all of this thing back in the days. Another thing was, this is where I was trolling people. I started trolling the ones who were bullish by saying the following. Looking for 10x move to the upside as well, because I think this is the bottom of Luna Classic. From here it's going to actually slowly start to move back up from here, back test, and start to resume an uptrend to go to the upside as well. So do not expect any dumps, do not expect any price targets from here. Once again, we'll be behind. All right, so I was trolling people, I trolled them here. I had another video again because in here market kept go to the $1 region. So let's zoom out of everything. Damn, $1 is a lot, how much of a percentage increase do we need from here? That's gonna be 3130006, and we need a lot of market cap, like $1 trillion market cap, which means that you must be overtaking Bitcoin at this point of time to go back to $1 based on market cap. So yeah, I mean, yeah, that's pretty awesome, that's pretty amazing, it's pretty crazy. So woohoo, Luna Classic, bullish, bullish, right? Right, I do know you get the point here, because everyone is saying Luna Classic to $1 and stuff like that. So you see, you really have to overtake Bitcoin at some point, so you have to be realistic, guys. So the market maker video was here, the untold story, and my plan worked. So let's go back some few days ago. Okay, I have this crazy idea right now regarding the market maker. And today what I'm gonna do is something really out of the mind, and it's gonna confuse a lot of people, and I know it's gonna confuse you as well. But I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna long the market, and I'm gonna make an update today saying that Luna Classic will pump really high. Because my video wrong at the moment. So I'm gonna pretend that I don't know anything and it's gonna pump, but in reality it's going to actually go to the technical target that I told you, which is maybe 17,000 or whatever. So to give you proof, maybe in the future when it actually pumps, I'm going to keep this a secret. So check this out. So this is where the prices are right now. Okay, you can see that that is 30,193 trading right there. So yeah, objective price objective is still remains. If it comes down here, amazing. Right, so this was market maker because what market maker really means is that all this pattern you see, like head and shoulders and stuff like that, they are made by someone known as a market maker. And you can actually go and watch this video. I think I'm not going to tell you the whole story. It's a 28 minutes video made 1 year ago. And I think you should just go and watch it on. You can actually write the untold story, my plan worked, and look at what happened here to get a better understanding. All right, so let's keep on going on. And my target mate reading the weekly. All right, so this was again 1 year ago, but what was this about? Look at that, look at that, look at. I'm not gonna go with this one. I'm actually gonna go with this video, sorry. So 9 months ago, what is the monthly trying to do, right? Let's check this out. If you look, if I remove the drawings previously, this does look like you're making in a flag, okay? So this is almost like a flag. And if you complete the flag and if you break below the flag, technical target to go from this top to bottom there, and you might be looking for 6521 is it. I'm gonna stop here, and this is why I am telling you, maybe it's time I do get 300 likes, and I've done 325 videos of Luna Classic. So each like does actually go to each and every single one of those videos that I've been creating. And telling you this like 9 months ago, this is your money being saved on this channel, 16,067, and I'm giving you a technical target of 6,549 way before the time, way before anything happens. And then after some few months later, Luna Classic is all the way down to 5,000, as you have recently seen, right? And then the final video is this one, which is even more crazy, which I made 5 months ago, and the technical target was nearly coming to be met. We were sitting at 16,000, we came down to 9,400 after 4 months, and we kept on going to the downside. And this is, I think, one of the best videos I've ever made. So let's look at how this one goes. And there's a lot of things going on with Luna Classic, like in terms of fundamentals. Every single day, there's an article getting published about Luna Classic. This guy stepped in, that guy stepped in. And now we have bad news coming in as well. So let me tell you, for example, we have Do Kwon, who is being arrested now, right? And then I heard that he's going to be, like, all of his problems are going to be taken into the next level. Good news up, Do Kwon is getting to the High Court now, down. And eventually somewhere, I think this is all just a script going on, guys, okay? There is a script going on. And if you do have all this falling wedge, eventually you're going to break out of it, and then the script is going to be good for all the good news and all the development that has been happening for Luna Classic. And you might be looking at it, come down, touch here, boom, break out, and just continue to the upside. Because whatever is happening, whatever this slide is, it's like a kid is actually sitting here and is sliding all the way to the downside, just eventually to break out of it and go to the upside, because whatever they're cooking is a falling wedge, okay? This is a very big falling wedge. And falling wedge, fortunately, and the good news about it is that they're bullish, right? And they're meant to break above it. If they break above it, we cannot guarantee that it's going to break above, but that's the hope, that it does break above, and then, you know what, break above, and boom. I would actually like to see and get myself some entries when, Luna Classic does end up coming down here, touch this line. I would love to get some little bit of it and maybe just push it all the way up here. And if you do end up, this is the plan right now. I'm just going to give it away for free. So from there, from maybe six to 4,000, and break out of it, then you're talking about the highest part of the wedge. That's a 549% move up. And the rest is pretty much the history, because right now, what is Luna Classic really doing? Where are you actually moving for Luna Classic? Let's get into the chart itself today. And look at it, all right? Look at this, look at what's happening. I mean, isn't everything just being told to you exactly just what happened? And these were told you way before time that, hey, you know what? This is your falling wedge, right? So if you're breaking above the falling wedge in the future, you're looking to go up. we were trading at 16,000 right over here. This was your bear flag right there, the technical target given to you down here. You're going to break up and then start to move up. Every single thing was damn met. So it's your responsibility to get this video to so many people. I want you to get so many people. Now at this point of time though, Luna Classic, I do believe, is maybe printing in another flag. That the pump may not be over. You're looking for a little bit of a pennant going on in here, I do believe. So if we consider that this is a pennant right now, then you are still looking to continue to move to the upside. So from there to there, and hopefully this pennant does actually play out, then you may be looking at a move from this area to that area, and the next technical target is all the way up to 38,538, and that's going to be a little bit of another push, which is 56%. Now you haven't really broken above the pennant, and as far as I'm concerned, you do have time until 6th of December, which is tomorrow. So by the time tomorrow comes in, we're going to see how this one is going to work out. And keep in mind, you can still have another little bit of an entry here, try to push to the upside with a stop loss maybe down at 21,000. And we are still in this trade from yesterday's video. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. If you're new, now you know you have to, check out this channel for future updates, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love you.